My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with IRS. Welcome to my YouTube station. I have worked thousands of cases. I have a whole team of former IRS agents that we work as a group together on cases, and we're a formidable bunch. We have about 250 direct years of IRS work experience. I've been in all the major news stations. If you are going through an IRS audit and you're very nervous about that audit, you would be very wise to call former IRS agents, especially. There's a big difference, a huge gulf between the normal person who represents people and former agents. Just so you know, I'm telling you things that you will know, but I want this to make sense to you because we always get called after someone got some poor representation and they call us back and we re-examine what happened, and boy, people have done some really poor work on audit representation, but we actually know what's going to happen ahead of time. As soon as we look at your return and look at the audit letter from IRS, we know exactly the path that IRS is going to take. Having worked hundreds and thousands of these cases, we can put up really your best tax defense. It really only should make sense when you do this for a living, day in and day out. Remember, we were the Internal Revenue Service. One of the big things we try to do on most cases is keep the audit to 1 year. Usually when IRS sees there's some suspicious stuff, they start darting in on other things. They may check this, they may check that, and then they love to expand the audit to go even further and further and further. Well, there's ways that you can shut some of this down. We know some of those avenues to go ahead. I don't want to say tricks. I don't want to say we're tricksters. We know the different avenues, let's put it this way, to kind of stop IRS from going further than they need to. So anyway, if you're looking for a really solid audit representation, especially on an audit that may be large or you're really nervous about, you may want to call us because, like I said, we've done this thousands of times. I've been on all the national news stations. Go to my website at 777irs.com. You can learn all about me. Thank you so much for listening. And yeah, you don't have to be scared of an IRS audit if you have a good advocate in front of you. Anyway, give me a subscription if you would. I'd really appreciate it, or like. Thank you.